Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I will teach you how to make a face sticker. Once you learn how to do this, you will have many creative ideas to create with it, like face keychain or face magnets that you can either give to someone or for personal use. I will teach you how to make those in the next tutorial, so tune in for that. But in this video, I will show you how to create a face sticker using Canva, then upload it to Cricut Design Space App. So let's get started! Go to canva.com, then upload your image to Canva, then choose BG Remover to remove the background, and then click Edit. Then you're going to use Magic Eraser to get the outline of the face. I did this process a few times and used different brush sizes to get the exact outline I want. And then I'm going to click Erase. Now I'm just playing with the brush sizes, so go ahead and play with your brush sizes to get the exact outline you want. Now I'm going to click the X. I got his cute little face outline. Now we're going to download our image. Now I'm going to click Share, click Download, and make sure when you download it, you click Transparent Background, and then click Download. And then open your Design Space app, then click Upload, then click Upload Image, then click Browse, then choose your image, then click Continue, click Apply and Continue, then choose Flat Graphic, then click Continue, and then click Upload. Now I'm just going to change the size to 1.4, click Offset, and I'm just going to adjust it to 0.069. Then click Apply, and I'm just going to change the color of the offset to white. I'm going to select them, and then I'm going to click Align, and then click Center, and then click Flatten. And then I'm going to click this duplicate icon for about 4 times. And then select them all, and then click Align. And then I'm going to click Align Top. Now I'm just separating them. Select them all again. Click Align Top. Click Align again. Then click Distribute Horizontally. I'm going to select them all. Now I'm going to click Duplicate. Then align them like so. And then I'm going to repeat this step until I get 4 rows. Click Make It. And it will ask you if you want to save your project. I'm going to click Save. Then I'll click Save again. Click Continue. Then click Send to Printer. Turn the Add Bleed off. And I'm going to turn on the System dialog and then click Done. And then from here, I'm going to turn on Print and Color. And then change the presets to color. And then from Media and Quality, I'm going to select Photo for media type. And then of course, Best for quality. And then click Print. So I'm going to use this vinyl glossy paper for my sticker. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to put the Amazon link in the description box below.